Good PM, ngayon po ay Thursday, October 12, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, October 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 12, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, October 12, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 34 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 135 million pesos for October 12, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, October 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.